Students, we have a question here. Tan theta is equal to 5 upon 12. Find the value of all trigonometric ratios. So let us start how to do this question. See, you just draw a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle and this is the angle theta. Okay, now you know this tan theta equal to 5 upon 12. So you can write, tan theta, this is perpendicular. The side opposite to angle is perpendicular. The side along with the angle is base. The side opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse. So here you can write it. This tan theta is nothing, P upon B. So you can say here you are getting 5 upon 12. Remember, it could be 5 multiplied to 10 upon 24. So I'm taking, suppose we take a multiple of 1. So now from here you can say here perpendicular equals to 5 and base is equal to 12. So we do nothing, we apply here, apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, apply Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So children, here this is hypotenuse square, base here is 12 square and perpendicular here is 5. So if you simplify it, you get 144 plus you get 25. You simplify it further, you get 169. If you take its square root, it comes out to be 13. Okay, now this is 13. So now see, here base is 12, here perpendicular is 5 and here hypotenuse is 13. So now he is asking you to find all other trigonometric ratios. So you have very simple trick you can apply here. This is base, this is base, base upon hypotenuse, this is perpendicular over hypotenuse, and this is base over hypotenuse, this is perpendicular over hypotenuse, this is perpendicular over base. Okay, now this, see, base over hypotenuse is sine theta, perpendicular over hypotenuse is cos theta, this is base over hypotenuse is cos theta and perpendicular over hypotenuse is sine theta and perpendicular over base is tan theta. So opposite to it, yani base over perpendicular is cot theta and here hypotenuse over perpendicular is cosecant theta and hypotenuse over base is secant theta. So this trick you can learn. There are several ways to learn it. So now you have to find here, one is sine theta. So children, what is sine theta here? Sine theta is nothing. This is perpendicular over hypotenuse. So perpendicular over hypotenuse. So here perpendicular is 5 and hypotenuse is 13. So first answer. Second answer is cos theta. So here cos theta is base over hypotenuse. So base over hypotenuse. So base here, in this case base is 12 over 13. Tan theta is already given here. Tan theta is already given. Now we have to find cot theta. So what is cot theta in this case? Cot theta is this base over perpendicular. Base over perpendicular. So this is nothing, 12 upon 5. Secant theta. So secant theta is nothing. This is hypotenuse over base. Hypotenuse over base. So hypotenuse here, this is 13 upon 12. And you have cosecant theta. This is nothing. hypotenuse over perpendicular. So hypotenuse is 13 upon 5. So this is the easiest way to find the values of other trigonometric ratios with very simple trick. Okay.